Alright guys, so after you guys have buy this phone, you wanted to remove this bloatware like Palm Store, Decay, whatever, like this. You can delete them. To delete those, you need to use some third-party application because you are not able to uninstall this from your home screen. You can't even disable that. You can see that. Now to remove this, you need to install something called Canta. So search on Play Store that you'll need to search here Canta, search that, and this is the debloater application that you guys wanted to install right now. Alright, so just install this. So we have installed this is a very small file, and click on proceed. So you also need Shizuku here, so you won't be able to delete this by itself because you need to have root. So that's why, to avoid rooting your phone, you need to use the third-party application, and that's why you need to use with Shizuku. So let's try to remove this one first. So you can see that it's already recommending that you need to install Shizuku, start the service, and grant permission to Canta. Alright, so let's go and install Shizuku. This app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version. To download this, Google Chrome, and then you can download Shizuku from here as well. Shizuku app you can use up to down. So get the latest version and download and open the file, setting, allow source, and install. Well, now you can see that it has been installing, and open up the Shizuku. Now Shizuku is not running, so we need to do like step by step. So here's the guide if you wanted to, but I already know how to start this. So I'm just going to pair this with the notification and allow this. Now go back, and then you need to go to developer option and swipe down until you find USB debugging section, and from here you'll need to turn on wireless debugging. Alright, so just go ahead and allow this. Now what you guys want to do is you need to go back. Okay, do not touch on pair or something like that. So go back here and then try to start this, and it will say please go through the pairing steps first. All right, now you need to go back to developer option and then try to pair, and then you will see enter pairing code. Now hit pairing code 116321. Well, you need to do this because this app has like bug on this Android 15. Now simply send this code, and you can see that pairing is successful. Now go back to Shizuku and hit on start. Now you can see that it is waiting for service, and it will automatically close just like that. Now simply launch the Canta application and proceed. So now search for the app that you guys want to remove. So I found this one, and then I'm just going to remove this. So you need to grant this and allow all the time, and then press on OK. Well, you don't need to download, just press on cancel button, and you can see Palm Store has been deleted. As you guys can see, there is no more Palm Store. Now exactly doing same thing, you need to find other bloatware application that is pre-installed here, and you can remove them as well. And it's pretty simple. So you can even do with like Google as well. So I don't need to use Google TV, but I can uninstall from here. So yeah, whichever apps, like for example Meet here is not able to uninstall, so I will search here like Meet and then uninstall this. No more Meet. You can see that. So yeah, so keep going on by uninstalling this, and keep your new Android bloatware free. Also make sure to notice that you should not be deleting this export or the advanced. So make sure to only delete the recommended, and also make sure to use common sense and only delete the app you guys don't need it. You don't need to delete like AI wallpaper generator, because these are useful because you can generate tons and tons of good wallpaper, and you don't want it to touch in system. All right, if you touch in system, then you need to completely factory reset your phone, and that's gonna be bad for you. So just make sure to filter this out by like recommended maybe, and you will get all the green signal here, and you can delete whatever that you guys wanted to, but make sure to cross check that, make sure that it is like not linked to any system. For example, like Android Auto, you don't want to delete this. because it might cause the problems, so you don't want it to debloat like extremely. So just debloat whatever that you guys don't need on the home screen. That would be the best for you. And it's that simple to uninstall the bloatware application from Infinix Hot 60. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope to find this video useful. See you in next video. Peace.